Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker desktop settings for WSL2 development. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Docker desktop on your computer. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Select the General tab from the left sidebar. Ensure that the option to use the WSL2 based engine is checked. Next, navigate to the Resources section. Click on WSL integration within the Resources tab. Here, you will see a list of your installed WSL distributions. Enable the toggle for the distributions you wish to integrate with Docker. Next, go back to the Resources section and select File Sharing. Add any additional directories you want Docker to access. Now, go to the Network tab. Adjust the DNS server settings if necessary to accommodate your network. Afterward, click the Apply and Restart button at the bottom right. Wait for Docker Desktop to restart and apply your settings. Open a terminal window in your chosen WSL distribution. Type Docker run hello world to test if Docker is configured properly. If the test runs successfully, congratulations, you're all set for WSL2 development with Docker. Feel free to explore additional settings based on your project needs. Remember to regularly check for Docker desktop updates to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.